State pattern can be used when we want to change the behavior of an object depending on some internal state. Like, depending on the current state of the mobile, phone may either ring or vibrate. Let's jump into code and check how to implement it. Our mobile class will be our client class. We will come to this later. We will have an interface mobile alert state and have an abstract method alert. So any implementation class will have the required business logic inside alert method. In mobile context class, we will set the current state of the mobile, like ringing or silent or vibration. So we will create a new ringing class and make it the default state. Let us create a ringing class and implement mobile alert state. And on alert function, we will print mobile is ringing. Coming back to mobile context, we need to provide a mechanism to set other state to the mobile, like vibrate or silent. And on alert method, we will call the respective alert method of the state object. So in our client class, let's create a mobile context object. And when we run mobile context.alert, by default it is set to ringing. Let's create other state type, silent, and print mobile is in silent mode. And in mobile class, we will set the state to silent object. And mobile context.alert will execute silent.alert method. And again, we will reset it to ringing. Once we run the application, we can see the behavior of the mobile gets changed depending on the current state. Because when the state is silent, mobile context.alert calls silent.alert and logs mobile is in silent mode. Again, when the state is changed to ringing, mobile context.alert calls ringing.alert function. This is a simple example of state design pattern. That's all for this tutorial. See you again in next design pattern tutorials. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming video tutorials. See you next time.